Hey guys, what is the most important part of running your business? Some people might say that this is a product, other people will say that this is more like marketing or sales. But everyone can agree that it's extremely important to get back to your clients as soon as they are trying to look for more information or they are just sending messages to you. And because we are not robots and we have sleep, we have to have some time, like private time, we need to use infrastructure just to come back to them. Because according to studies, if you will come back to your clients within first 5 minutes, it, the likelihood of closing the deal is like 70 to 90%. It all depends on the studies. But because of that, in today's video, I will show you how to use ManyChat and how to connect this with your socials. So whenever you have some accounts on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you can connect this to your ManyChat, and your clients will go to respond when you are not around or when you just want to have some kind of automation in it. So let's go and I will show you everything. Okay, so we are already in ManyChat environment, and as you can see, the start of the automation is basically anytime someone will send us the DM, and no matter what will be inside the DM, the automation will be running. And as you can see, as a response, we have, hey, welcome to mattress store and how we can help you. So first option is just to help them choose the specific mattress. And in this case scenario, we are basically asking them for a size and what the type of the mattress. And the point of that was to go and show them only few options on our website. But as you can see, we have multiple options from which we can choose. And what will happen after they will press the button? Because after clicking Instagram, we'll basically just send another message. We can add AI step, which I will show you in a moment. We can add to open the website, and right after they will click on the button, the website will appear. And we can also have some perform actions. It's more like on the backend, I would say, because as you can see, we can select multiple options, and it's more for us because we can send like custom HTTP requests. So in this case scenario, we can connect the ManyChat environment with our N8N environment, and we can send multiple data. We can basically connect this to any automation we have on our stack. And in this case, we can also add some tags. So we can choose like to select data inside our ManyChat environment. We have multiple options here. And to show you how it's working, I will just send a message to myself on Instagram that is connected to this automation. And as you can see, I got the response. And I will show you everything from here because this is exactly what I can see on my Instagram. So let's check my perfect mattress. What is also great that we can see entire conversation here from the ManyChat perspective. So everything that your client will choose from your website, you will be able to see back inside ManyChat, which makes everything clear. So after clicking, as you can see, we are being redirected to the website, and this is how it's working. This is quite simple automation I built because as you can see, there are only few steps and we don't have AI inside of it, but I will show you how to do it. But before that, let's talk about the pricing. Because as you can see, I am on the free plan, but we also have Essential and we have Pro. I believe that for small to mid-sized businesses, something between Essential and Pro will be enough because like what are the active contact per month? So like if I will send one message to this account, I count as one active contact. So it doesn't matter if I will come back after a week and I will send additional information, I'm still counting as one contact with this month. So this is it. So it all depends on the volume, but I think like something between Essential or Pro will be enough for most of the businesses. And what we can connect. As you can see, we can connect Instagram, TikTok, Facebook messages, Telegram, and on the Pro plan, we can also connect WhatsApp and we can also connect messages. So how to do it? We are basically going to, let me show you here. Let's go here to the to my profile. We are going to my profile and we can add new account. And from this place, we can choose which account we want to connect and just go, and we can simply do it here. So this is almost everything, because as you can see, it's quite simple tool. You don't need to know everything about how it's working inside, but what you have to know, what is available and how to work in it. So now I will show you how to use AI step. So after adding AI step, we have to fulfill the tell AI what to do and give AI context. I would say that think about this as if you have experience in N8N, think about this as user prompt and system prompt, honestly. But what is good that after putting information here, because I'm also doing quick trick here, because I'm putting FAQ, frequently asked questions, inside the context, but obviously this is just for a demo purpose, and in case you have much more complex document with some questions that your clients can ask, we have to do communication with N8N and simply just provide him more information, just so he will have more context and he will not hallucinate. But after clicking generate, I will show you, because as of right now, he invented the steps what he need to do in the meantime. So let's start. Okay, select. Okay, let's start with it. And as you can see, we can here test him. Can you share your sleep preference and budget? Okay, and as you can see, he is going through all the context we gave him, and he is basically checking everything here. What are your sleep preferences? We can ask him obviously anything that he has here in the context. So as you can see, he responded, we offer free delivery. So everything we have here, because if you will take a look, how long does delivery take? 3 to 5 business days. Okay, he didn't mention anything about this, but did he mention about the delivery? Okay, as you can see, we here have example that free delivery within 20 miles, and this is what he mentioned about. Okay, and as you can see, he is just providing us some additional information. He also recommended some products for us, which we had in the context. So just to also check what he has in his idea, we can also ask for an address. If we can ask for phone number, we can ask for, and as you can see, he is pretty conversational, I would say. So he all the time will be human, but it all depends how we will prompt him. But this is something that we can simply add to our Instagram, and it will be up and running all of the time. I can't do it because I'm on the free plan, but this is something simple that, as you can see, it's good that we can test it inside the tool and we are not using any tokens. And after going back to the main dashboard, as you can see, we have home, we have different accounts, we have contacts, which, like I showed you, this is basically like how many people you were talking with. We have inboxes where you can see all the conversation, but we have automation. And inside automation, we have Instagram default reply. This is something that I showed you already, but we can also build new automation here, and we can choose on which action it should be triggered. In my case, it was DM, and as you can see, even here we have multiple options, but we can also build something on story reply. We can build something on post, which is quite commonly used by other people, that in case someone will comment our post or reel, then we will send some free tool for them, like link to something or whatever. So this is something that we can select here. This video is simple because honestly I believe that this topic overall is simple, so I don't feel that anything is hard here. As you can see, the dashboard is pretty easy to understand. The only thing that you would like to spend some more time on is in case you are adding the AI chatbot inside. So what you have to do is to check if AI is responding according to your rules and your instructions, just to make sure that you are not giving wrong information to your clients. So if that was helpful for you, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and drop the comment down below. See you in the next one.